कि बेगम साहिबा उनसे नाराज बैठी हुई हैं, तो ये
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। मैं आपको वेलकम कर रही हूँ नीलम जी। हाउ आर यू? आई एम जस्ट
I'm
trying to see if everybody is there. Let me go back. Uh,
I'm fine, Veena ji. How are you? Wish you a very happy Mahashivratri.
to you, same to you. And just want to see we are live. Okay. I'm just trying to check my. Okay. Let's see. Yes, we are live. Thank God. मैं आपको welcome कर रही हूँ नील. Why is it getting cut? No, here it is. Okay. Yes, we are live. Thank God. मैं आपको welcome कर रही हूँ नील. Why is it getting cut? Okay, let's cut this thing out. Okay. Sorry about the problem that we are having in Neelam ji. Somehow, last time भी ऐसे एक बारी हुआ था कि जब I had to do reload and go back and start all over again. So this time again it's happened. It's a very special day actually. Today is a Mahashivratri day. ऐसे होना नहीं चाहिए लेकिन हो गया हमारे साथ. So I had to change the password and
कोई
everything.
बात नहीं.
So thanks for being patient and that's really I think let me see what happened to everybody else, and I guess they will join soon because we're a little bit late. So वैसे तो Kamlesh ji and everybody joins, so I think they will join soon. So आप I know that you've been coming to our programs for the last I think about almost a year now, and we are
Yeah.
starting about a year ago, and we've been coming very faithfully and be teaching a lot of things to us. We're very grateful. I know that after I came back from India, तब भी हमने किया था special, and you're very talented. You do so many things. I know that I see you all the time on Facebook. You're hosting something, or you're having some lot of important guests on your programs, and you do Reiki and you do tarot cards. You do so many things, as well as you're an animal lover and you love dogs and you love bicycling, and you're a family person. Like you travel from here and there. You're with your parents, so I know you're a very loving person. I know you taught me स्विच वर्ड भी आप करते हो. सो मल्टी टैलेंटेड पर्सन. जब भी जिससे बात करो आपकी तारीफ करते हैं. सो आई विल डू द सेम थिंग, एंड आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी टू मीट यू इन इंडिया. एंड ऑल्सो यू डू लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स. आई थिंक यू पार्ट ऑफ लॉट ऑफ ग्रुप्स ऑल्सो. तो थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करें आपके बारे में और क्या करते हैं, और देन वी कैन talk a little bit about this love and commitment, because it's today is a Mahashivratri. So we have to do that because Shivji and Parvati, everybody knows the story about them. Everybody knows. So nowadays we should have get some inspiration from the love, you know. So okay, all to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Veena ji, for so many sweet words and praises. You made my day. So my name is Dr. Neelam Barwani. I'm a Reiki Grandmaster, Advanced Yog Therapist, Switchword Expert, Tarot Card Reader, Animal Healer, Naturopath, and a Biker by Passion. We have just 10 days back, not even 10 days, I will say, yes, 10 days back on the 15th of Feb, Nature's Graces celebrated its 10th anniversary. So we finished 10 years in the field of wellness, and that's a big achievement for us. It was a milestone event,
Oh
and
yeah.
it also gives me a lot of pride to say कि हम 10 साल से wellness को promote कर रहे हैं. होलिस्टिक हीलिंग को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, और इन सारी मोडालिटीज में हम ना कोई मेडिसिन देते हैं, ना कोई इसके साइड इफेक्ट्स हैं. सो दैट इज द होल मोटो ऑफ नेचर्स ग्रेस, कि हम वेलनेस को उस लेवल पे प्रमोट करें कि आपको बिना दवाई के ही ठीक हो जाए, चाहे वो आपकी कोई भी बीमारी हो, लेट इट बी फिजिकल एलिमेंट, इमोशनल एलिमेंट और मेंटल एलिमेंट. So for doing that, we also opened our own community of wellness, which is known as Nature's Grace Miracles of Holistic Healing. और उस कम्युनिटी में हमारे पास अलग अलग फील्ड के पैनल एक्सपर्ट्स हैं, मेंबर्स हैं, जिनको हम वेलनेस से रिलेटेड चीजें बताते रहते हैं, वेलनेस के इवेंट्स करते रहते हैं. From last 1 year now, we are also operational in Jaipur. So now Nature's Grace is there in two cities, Jaipur and Gurgaon. So it has been a wonderful journey, and as everybody says, journey should continue. और एक चीज अच्छी होती है वेलनेस में, आप जितना लोगों को सिखाते हैं, आप उतना ही सीखते भी हैं उनसे. जब आप दूसरों की लाइफ जर्नी सुनते हैं, दूसरों की स्टोरी सुनते हैं, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग इन्वॉल्व्ड इन दैट. So as a wellness expert, I can always say you never stop learning in this field. Every day is a new learning. Every challenge teaches you something. Everybody's life challenges gives you inspiration to do much better than what you are doing right now.
I agree. I agree. That is true. Wherever you, every day you learn different things. I think, one can never stop learning. That's one thing
True.
I have learned, and I agree with that. That there's no such thing as हमने सब कुछ आ गया है. There's no such thing. Every day you'll find something new that you didn't know, or you were thinking of finding out, but you didn't get it. But that particular day you find out some things. So it's
And
I agree, and then I agree with you about that. And a
and
lot of
Veena ji, till the time we are open to learning, our growth continues. जिस दिन हमें लगेगा हमें सब कुछ आ गया, उस दिन से हमारा डाउनफॉल भी आ जाएगा.
you're
We
right.
become stagnant.
That is true. I agree.
हमें सब कुछ आ गया, उस दिन से हमारी.
Okay, I'll close that one. I agree 100%. So हमारी जो growth है और learning capabilities can be even in the 70s, 80s, 90s, whatever you can always learn. I've seen people
Yes, you can.
the 70s are doing the learning exercises, different चीजें करते हैं, traveling कर रहे हैं, with the groups of friends. So the 70s or the 50s or 60s even of yesteryear is totally different now. Nowadays you see people out and about, they're working, they're still doing a lot of things. It's not like घर में बैठे हुए हैं. People are active at the 70s too. A lot of people are. So
And that's the reason they are mentally and physically fit also.
exactly, if you keep on learning and like you do a craft, or you even working, or you're doing voluntary work, so over there also you learn a lot of things. Volunteering, you meet so many different people, and it's a very good thing to
Very
do.
true.
Yeah, I feel that volunteering is one of the best things that you can do.
And in fact, because it's our 10th anniversary, we are starting a new project. Nature's Grace is coming up with a new program which is called Har Ghar Dhyan. That is meditation, mudras, and breath work. And it is going to be a complimentary program for everybody to join in, whoever wants to keep and get involved in meditation and make it a part of their daily routine. So the new batch is starting, the first batch is starting from the 3rd of March. It is a 5-day program from 6:45 in the morning till 7:30 in the morning. 45 minutes program जहाँ पे हम आपको रोज मेडिटेशन करना सिखाएंगे, ब्रेथ वर्क सिखाएंगे और मुद्रा सिखाएंगे और उनके बेनिफिट्स बताएंगे. So as you know, meditation really helps you. In today's world, meditation is the need of the hour. It's just like a medicine that you need every day to release stress from your life.
Oh, that's
तो
good.
अगर वो मेडिटेशन की एक पिल आपने रोज सुबह को खा ली, तो you can release your stress a lot from your life. And nowadays, even small kids are stressed. Forget the
Yeah.
adults and the students and professionals. छोटे छोटे बच्चों को भी stress हो रहा है.
Oh yeah.
So this program is open for all the age groups, and in fact, I would suggest you also to go ahead and join if the timing suits you. It is going to be a beautiful program, and we will keep
6:45 a.m. in India, right? आप लिख रहे हो, मैं
yes
check
6:45
करूँगी.
because morning meditation, the best time to have meditation is in the morning. So for as per Indian timings, it is 6:45 a.m. in the morning till 7:30. It's a 45 minutes program. and it will be always in the batches of 5 days. तो पहला pilot batch हमने 3rd March से चालू किया, and we will keep repeating these program again and again for more and more people to join in. And it's a complimentary program. This is our way of giving something back to the community after finishing 10 years. So it is like our 10th year gift to everybody.
Wow, that's really great. 10 years. That's very good. Commendable.
Yes.
आपके guest, I think there was I think some very important personality.
हाँ.
Was it?
Yes, Vinita Malik ji and Dr. Anupama, both of them are very close to my heart. Vinita Malik is a celebrity guest. She has done a lots of TV and lots of movies. She's very famous for a Star Plus serial where she was Akshara ki Dadi.
अच्छा, क्या
ये
नाम?
रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है? That serial's name was ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है? It's a very famous serial. So she was the grandmother in that, and she won a prize also for that. And she's a very sweet and humble person. And the other one was Dr. Anupama Jingon, who is also my Reiki mentor, and I really have a lot of respect and regard for her. So they both were the special guests for the event. But for me, every guest was special guest क्योंकि मेरे लिए तो मेरी anniversary में जो भी आया वो मेरे लिए special ही होगा.
Oh yeah, that's true. And also, that you give them very good importance with you unko, because they were good friends. Plus, they're very talented and very well known. And your other people were there too.
They are very.
There were, I think Krishna Kalra was there or something. She was telling me that.
Hanji, Hanji. So we had our Nature's Grace Achievers Awards also along with the 10th anniversary, which are the awards with a cause to create awareness for the cancer patients that it can be healed through Reiki. We do these awards every year. So there were lots of awardees, there were lots of VIP guests who contributed for our fur babies. As you know, I'm a dog lover and an animal lover. So I do a lot of rescue work for the dogs. So for that also we got the contribution from our VIP guests. We have our gift sponsors, we had our members. There are lots of people, all are part of our community, some new members, some old members. It was lovely to see everyone supporting Nature's Grace and its causes.
And I like, like you're an animal lover, especially dogs. I think you like, because you only have a couple of dogs with you, you as your pets. And I take care of my daughter's pet. He's a dog, and but once or twice a week she leaves him in the morning and goes to work, and then she comes back and picks him up, and he loves to be with me. So when we had gone for vacation, my husband said no, he could not go. For some reason he was unable to go with us for the vacation. So we left the dog, his name is Monty, we left him with my husband. No, between the two of us, for some things he goes to him, for something he comes to me. And
they are smart.
Very smart. So he knows when to go to him, he knows when to come to me. And there's one room is upstairs, which I usually go in, do my work and lie down and do some of my work. So mostly I'm there. A lot of the time I'm in that room. So when I was away, my husband told me that he used to go up and sit outside the door all the time. One time,
yeah, he must be missing you.
Yeah, he and when finally one time you got to open the door, and he was on the bed where I usually lie down, under the blankets, just staying over there, sleeping there.
Yeah, they do that. When they miss you, they go to the places where you usually sit, and then they spend the time there just to get your scent and your smell, and they do that. Dogs usually do that. That's how they express their love.
They love, and then he was there, and my husband said he's not sleeping in his bed. What happened in the night? So he went and he was lying on sleeping over there. So he said every day he would go there and wait outside the door. I might come out every day.
Oh, that's so lovely.
Yeah. And
they do that.
So and my daughter says, I'm not sure, Mom, if he loves you more, he loves me more. I said, he hasn't. I think he loves you more than me. So I felt so, when I heard that, I said, oh my God, I know that he likes me a lot, because I take him for walks. I give him, my husband gives him the food. I take him out for a walk. So both of us have different, animals. That's the way they are. I think they have they sense everything, what the one person can do, what the other person can do, and how it is. They pick it up from there.
That is true. And then they will approach you according to their needs only.
Correct,
so if
yes.
he has to go for a walk,
Yes,
He will come around you and start reminding you to take for a walk.
yes,
If
yes.
he wants food, he will go towards your husband and keep reminding him that he wants food.
Exactly, that's what he does. So we both know him very well, and he's very loving dog. I keep on telling my daughter, get another one for me, a baby or something. And she says, "Mom, it's too much for you. It'll be too much." But I know the feeling you get, the love that you get from them is unbelievable. Very
True.
different,
That is very true. Very pure.
very pure, and very different. Like you don't see anything.
So we are talking about Mahashivratri. You know, even Shivji used to love dogs.
Really?
Yes.
Yes.
If you see Shivji's pictures, they will always. Shivji was a big time animal lover. So he had the Nandi guy, he had the dog, he had the snake in his neck.
Yeah.
So he was a very, very much animal lover, and dogs are someone who are really pampered by Shivji.
Wow. That's a,
So there is a Shiva temple somewhere in the south where dogs are allowed. They have even made the statues of the dogs for the prayer.
that's amazing. Really.
They allow dogs to come in that temple because they know Shivji used to love dogs. So if a god can have dog with him, why can't they allow the dogs in the temples? And in Nepal, they do the puja of the
Oh
dogs.
yeah,
They have
yeah.
a proper festival for the dog.
I seen that in one Instagram. Somebody has a dog, and the person is from Nepal, but he lives in Ireland. So then
So
he was saying,
Nepal, every year they have this festival where they do the puja for the dogs. They find them very auspicious.
the
And
only
dogs are very auspicious. They even astrologically they represent planet Ketu. So if your Ketu, a particular planet Ketu is not good, they ask you to feed the dogs. They ask you to take care of the dogs to improve that planet.
wow, wow, wow. तो आज हमारा जो टॉपिक है उसका लव एंड कमिटमेंट हम बात कर ही रहे हैं लव तो लव कैन बी विद your loved one, your kids, or anything like like जैसे वैलेंटाइन में कहते हैं कि it could be with anybody.
See,
It's
yeah.
different,
So basically, today is Shivratri special. So we will talk about the love and commitment between the couples,
right?
like the one which was between Shiv and Parvati. शिव एंड पार्वती की कहानी सब जानते हैं शिवजी वॉज नॉट समवन हु वांटेड टू सेटल डाउन उनको रमता जोगी कहते थे एंड पार्वती वॉज वेरी एडमेंट मेरे पति तो यही बनेंगे एंड उसके लिए उन्होंने बहुत तपस्या भी की एंड स्टिल आफ्टर द फाइट शी वेंट बैक टू हर पेरेंट्स हाउस एंड देन शिवजी केम लुकिंग फॉर हर और उनको पाने के लिए फिर उन्होंने दुनिया ऊपर से नीचे कर दी So love and commitment is there's one message which is very clear in this story is that it has to be both sided.
Yeah,
रिलेशनशिप वन साइडेड नहीं चलता दोनों ही लोगों को एफर्ट्स डालने पड़ते हैं उस रिलेशनशिप को चलाने के लिए एंड इट इज अ ऑन गोइंग प्रोसेस इट इज नॉट दैट कि आपने प्रपोज कर दिया सामने वाले ने प्रपोज कर दिया देन यू गॉट मैरिड एंड लव ओवर नो that is actually the beginning of the journey what people think is the end of the journey is actually the beginning of the journey then is where you have to start putting your efforts on a daily basis
yeah,
अगर आप रोज अपने रिलेशनशिप पे एफर्ट नहीं डालोगे तो वो रिलेशनशिप स्टेल हो जाएगा इट्स जस्ट लाइक ग्रोइंग अ प्लांट आपने सीड डाल दिया वो प्लांट आ गया उसमें आपका काम खत्म नहीं होता है अगर उसको ग्रो करना है तो उसमें रोज पानी डालना है खाद डालना है सनलाइट देना है तभी वो ग्रो करेगा और सस्टेन रहेगा But today's world, people forget that it is a everyday job. They think it is just a project. ठीक है हमने प्रपोज कर दिया लड़की मान गई या लड़की ने प्रपोज कर दिया लड़का मान गया घर वाले मान गए शादी हो गई और उसके 2-3 साल बाद रिलेशनशिप स्टार्ट ब्रेकिंग अप you lose interest in each other you lose the charm of a relationship because you are not putting any efforts और बिना एफर्ट्स के कोई रिलेशनशिप नहीं चलता when you talk about commitment is not just being loyal to each other that is not called commitment is hard work that you need to put into that relationship that is commitment you
especially
have to commit yourself
especially when you start having a family, with children, for example, your
even
couple,
without children
even without
even
children,
without
but
children
even then, what happens is, I mean, this is what I've noticed. I noticed a lot of people is that, especially in this country, because you have to do most of the work yourself. That couple is there alone. They go out together. They can go out. They work, and once you have a child, in India में तो काफी help मिल जाती है. यहाँ पर it's not that easy. everybody's working, even the parents are sometimes, and help is very difficult to get, not that it's easily available. So one of them has to do some extra work. I mean, mostly the wife does it. That time some things comes up between the couples, you know. भी मैं ये बच्चे को भी देख रही हूँ काम भी, like, or one of them has to sacrifice, stay home, or because help to get the help daycare में डालो. Anything you do is a lot of money. Money is involved. So that's, I find at that time they really have to, the couple really has to sit down and discuss things properly to keep that love and commitment going between the two of them. What do
See,
you
that's why they say love and commitment is a journey, it is not a destination.
exactly?
So you will have ups and downs, you will have challenges, you will have fights, there will be moments where you would like to walk out of a relationship. I mean, that's the most easiest thing to do, to walk out. But the thing is that these all options are available, but at the same time, another option is also available to sit down, put some effort, do some changes, work towards it. It is just like your job. जब आपको एक अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर मिलता है and you get this confirmation from the company, that is where you say your relationship has got a seal. कि चलो आपको अभी ये seal मिल गई, you got married or you are living together. Okay? But that's just the beginning, right? An appointment letter or a confirmation from a company is just the beginning. The job has not yet started. The same way you getting married or you getting committed, the actual relationship is not yet started. The actual relationship is now about to start, where every day you have to get up, go to the job, do your 9 hour shift, and come back and keep working hard. You have your reviews, you have your promotions, you have bad days, you have good days, but still the next day you get up and go to work. The same way in a relationship, every day you need to put in effort. You will have fights, you will have arguments, you will have difference of opinion. कभी किसी को किसी के parents अच्छे नहीं लगेंगे, कभी किसी को किसी के friends अच्छे नहीं लगेंगे. But still you need to be together. You again have to get up the next day and consider it as a fresh day and start working towards that relationship also. The only difference is by the end of the month in the job, you will get your salary. But here you'll get sustainability. The kind of confidence you get when your married life is stable is entirely different. The kind of motivation you get from your partner is entirely different. That cannot be counted in money at all. Your emotional support, mental support, that all counts, right? So
Yeah.
that's what you get in return of that kind of a relationship where you're putting efforts. और जहाँ आप efforts नहीं डालते या सिर्फ एक ही जना effort डाल रहा होता है, वो relationship ही नहीं है basically. I don't even consider that as a relationship.
I
There's nothing like a one-sided relationship. One-sided relationship जैसा कोई word होना ही नहीं चाहिए.
yeah, yeah.
Relationship का मतलब ही ये है कि two people are involved in it.
Shali ji लिख रही है, just a comment. She thinks, she says that she thinks that it is, this is if you love someone, keep on doing and don't expect the reciprocal. It could be anyone. इनका मतलब है कि it doesn't have to be husband and
No.
wife. It could be in any friendship. You keep on doing unconditionally.
Yeah, but you can't keep on doing one-sided everything because you will burn out.
Even
चाहे
in
आप कितना भी प्यार करते हो किसी को,
husband wife
आप
maybe.
अकेले करते रहोगे एग्जैक्टली यू विल बर्न आउट. आप नहीं करोगे. बेमन से कुछ करना है तो बात अलग है. आप खुद सोचो वीना जी, आप रोज ये सेशंस लेते हो, राइट? यू हैव बीन डूइंग दिस दिल्लियां गल्ला फ्रॉम लास्ट 1 year.
No,
Every time you
five,
invite,
almost 5 years. Mhm.
okay, 5 years, great. So
Almost.
every time you invite a guest to the show, and if the guest is not participating in a conversation, आप आप भी रिसर्च करके लोगों को बुलाते हो, अपनी तैयारी करते हो, अपने क्वेश्चंस रेडी करते हो, और अगर सामने वाला रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करेगा तो आप उसको दोबारा बुलाओगे अपने शो पे?
No, मैंने किया हुआ ऐसे. There are some people I don't call back.
You don't call back,
No,
right?
I don't
Because
call
there's
back.
no efforts from their side.
Exactly. And then I want to see, जो भी जैसे आप आते हो, you enthusiastic, you come, you participate, you teach us a lot. तो अगर इतना effort किसको डालो, I didn't put too much effort in y'all, but because we have a good understanding. When you reach that level of understanding, then you really don't have to be putting too much effort. You can just be very straightforward. भी मैं तो इस हफ्ते busy हूँ भाई, अगले हफ्ते 1 महीने बात करो, 2 हफ्ते बात करो. That's how you get frank with each other.
बट स्टिल जब
हाँ,
हम आते हैं, जब हम
हाँ,
बात करते हैं, आप भी अपना अनडिवाइडेड अटेंशन देते हो, मुझे लव देते हो, रिस्पेक्ट देते हो, मैं भी अपनी अनडिवाइडेड अटेंशन
yes,
देती हूँ, राइट? सो इट इज अ टू वे प्रोसेस।
exactly.
अकेले आप करते रहोगे तो नहीं हो सकता, अकेली मैं करूंगी तो भी नहीं होगा। तो जो कमेंट आया उसमें दिस इज वेरी क्लियर कि आप अकेले, चाहे आप कितना भी किसी को प्यार कर लो, आप अकेले वन साइडेड रिलेशनशिप नहीं चला सकते। You will burn out very fast, and then you will it will create a lot of bitterness in your heart. आप मानो या ना मानो, अगर आप किसी को प्यार कर रहे हो, उसके लिए एफर्ट्स डाल रहे हो, उसको सब कुछ कर रहे हो, और बदले में कुछ नहीं मिलेगा ना, थोड़े टाइम बाद आपके मन में भी उस रिश्ते के लिए खटास आना चालू हो जाएगी।
Hmm.
आएगी ना। भाई अब आप इतनी मेहनत करके किसी को कुछ बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, किसी को इम्पोर्टेंट फील करा रहे हो, और सामने वाला रेसिप्रोकेट नहीं कर रहा, तो व्हाट इज द यूज? फिर वो
Now,
रिलेशनशिप कहाँ है? दैट दैट इज जस्ट अ वन साइडेड थिंग।
now this could be husband and wife, boyfriend, girlfriend,
एनी
girlfriend and girlfriend could be, like any friendship में girlfriend को सहेली भी होती है. That also
हाँ,
happens.
do,
Not
yeah,
some of
to normal friends also.
friends, yeah, exactly. And sometimes I notice that with some people, um, maybe a lot of people go through this thing that with some people, some friends, you make a lot of effort to go out planning karo, ye karo, wo karo. They just take everything very easy. Chalo bhi, हाँ ये कर रहा है. After a while, you say, why? What am I doing? Why am I doing this all the time? Right?
Exactly. And when that feeling comes,
Yeah, that
you feel you are a fool. आपको
exactly.
ऐसा लगता है मैं बेवकूफ हो गया जो मैं इतने टाइम से कर रही हूँ। That
मैं
is the
इतना effort
feeling
कर
of
रही हूँ.
bitterness which comes.
Yeah, that time
And
comes.
then
It
that
does.
time will come, and then it will make you very bitter. And the after effects of this is the next time you find someone really good, you will, even if you want to, you will hold yourself back. You will not be able to do that much for that person because that fear will come inside you. मैं फिर इसके लिए करूं, और अगर ये मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं करेगी तो
Yeah.
पहले वाला सीन हो
No.
जाएगा ना।
So
तो
बिल्कुल.
एक बैड एक्सपीरियंसेस आगे वाले रिलेशनशिप्स को भी
Hmm.
बैड कर सकता है। तो इसमें हमें क्या करना है? वी नीड टू बी अवेयर वेयर टू स्टॉप।
That is
एक स्टेज के
that is
बाद आप बंद करो वन साइडेड रिलेशनशिप। इतना उस लेवल पे मत लेके जाओ उसको कि जब वो खत्म हो तो आपको बहुत इफेक्ट करे,
yeah.
और फिर आपके आने वाले अच्छे लोगों को भी आप अच्छे से ट्रीट नहीं कर पाओगे, बिकॉज यू विल स्टिल बी कैरिंग द लोड ऑफ द पास्ट बिटरनेस।
बट देखो ना, ये तो फ्रेंडशिप्स में तो हो सकता है.
दैट्स व्हाई दे से ना कि
हाँ,
अगर रिलेशनशिप में आपका इवन फॉर अ बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड अगर ब्रेकअप होता है तो डू इट एम्बिकली, शांति से सही टाइम पे उस रिश्ते से निकल जाओ। अगर आप ज्यादा ड्रैग करोगे, उसको डर्टी बनाओगे, बिटरनेस लाओगे, तो आने वाले रिश्ते भी आपके खराब हो जाएंगे।
ये बट हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ के लिए तो बड़ा मुश्किल है ना. कैसे करें, छोड़ें और डू समथिंग. व्हाट डू यू डू विद दैट bond that you have and that commitment that you've made for life? If anything like this happens in that part, then what do you do?
गिव ओनली देन।
Only whatever you can give.
ओके, आप एक कंपनी में काम कर रहे हो। Okay, okay, give answer me this one. I'm giving you a scenario. You're working in a company from last 5 years on the same position. You're working really hard and you're still not getting the promotion. And you don't want to leave that company because suppose it's a government job जिसमें आपको आगे जाके पेंशन वेंशन सब कुछ मिलेगा। तो आप क्या करोगे? क्या करोगे आप?
Just stick around. क्या कर सकते हो? If you leave,
Stick,
then it's a
stick
problem.
around,
Yeah.
लेकिन after a certain while you will realize कि आपको इतनी मेहनत करने की जरूरत नहीं है अब।
Take it a little easier. Don't go so. Don't
Yeah,
work so
you will
hard.
go easy
Yeah.
on your, yeah, why are you working hard when you're not getting the
Exactly.
promotion?
Yes. Yes.
जॉब तो कहीं जा नहीं रहा ना आपका, तो उतना ही एफर्ट डालो जितना आपको रिटर्न मिल रहा है। बाकी एफर्ट किसी दूसरी जगह पे डालो जहां पे आपको अच्छे रिटर्न मिले,
Hmm. Makes sense. Makes very good.
राइट?
Makes perfect sense.
सो हस्बैंड वाइफ रिलेशनशिप में भी उतना ही इनपुट दो ना जितना आपको आउटपुट मिल रहा है। अगर उससे ज्यादा नहीं मिल रहा तो वही वही एनर्जी आप किसी दूसरे रिलेशनशिप में लगाओ। अच्छे फ्रेंड्स बनाओ, बच्चों के साथ अच्छा रिश्ता करो, कम्युनिटी सर्विस करो, कुछ भी कर सकते हो ना,
Yeah.
जहां से आपको प्यार मिले, अटेंशन मिले, सो दैट यू डोंट फील डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ दैट वन पर्टिकुलर थिंग। आप
Exactly.
उसी रिलेशन में डालते जाओगे, मिलेगा आपको कुछ नहीं, आपका मन खट्टा हो जाएगा, आप निकल भी नहीं सकते और आप खुशी से रह भी नहीं सकते। सो दैट इज यू आर ruining your life. Why should you do that?
So you should cut back,
दुखी होके
cut back a little bit, and take a little bit more care of yourself, and do whatever you
excess.
can. Do whatever you
Yeah,
can. Don't go overboard. You know.
yeah. Spend that time, spend that energy on taking care of you, making good friends around you, having good relationships, doing community service. There are lots of things which can make you happy. वो रिश्ता तो चल रहा है ना, कहीं नहीं जा रहा ना, बस उसमें उतना ही डालो फिर जितने की जरूरत है. क्योंकि अगर सामने वाले को वो चीज समझ में नहीं आ रही तो आप उसको कितना समझाओगे? And you can't change anybody's basic nature, na?
No, no. That is difficult.
There are
Yes.
people who put effort, there are people who will just not put effort, however good you are. That's your basic nature.
Basic and plus there are some that's it relationships like committed husband and wife, that's a different type, but there's some relationships or friendships you can easily get away, that's it, done.
Yes,
You
of
don't need,
course.
you don't need anymore.
You should.
It's easier, you
And
should
you
get
should
out.
do it on the right time. See, love and commitment का मतलब ये नहीं है कि अपने आप को सूली पे चढ़ा दो.
Ah,
Right? Love and commitment का मतलब ये वो relationship जिसमें आप भी grow कर रहे हो. You are growing spiritually, you are growing emotionally, you are growing mentally, you are feeling peace and happiness. That is love and commitment. Not tension, stress, abusive relationships. वो love and commitment है ही नहीं.
what's funny?
चाहे वो हस्बैंड वाइफ के साथ हो, चाहे वो फ्रेंड्स के साथ हो, चाहे वो गर्लफ्रेंड्स के साथ हो, बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ हो, कहीं पे भी आपकी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट तो मैटर करती है ना.
Oh yeah, I feel in that sense
आपका
फालतू relations friendships के बदले I personally think, which I've done before, but it's good to do some community service, community work. That gives you so much satisfaction and good feeling inside of you when you do that, because you're helping somebody or community या कोई भी किस जगह पे help करो.
You can work for environment, you can work for animals, you can do community service, orphanage है, child homes है, NGOs हैं, बहुत सारे चीजें हैं जहाँ जिस चीज
I
से आप कनेक्ट
हाँ,
करते हो, जिससे आपको खुशी मिलती है.
I used to do in the hospital for premature babies उस section में. Right.
हम्म.
I used to do it there. So
Wow.
I had good in the hospital, was very good environment, good place in the sense that you had people there supporting you, helping you, and go like a couple of times a week or once a week or something for a few hours. So you see the babies and you come back good. You feel good that you did something, community के लिए. So that's a good way. And plus there's so many community things to do. There's so many things to do. Instead of
And there's one more thing I wanted to say, वीना जी. हर रिलेशनशिप में ना जैसे हमारे जॉब में रिव्यूज होते हैं, अप्रेजल्स होते हैं, डिस्कशंस होते हैं एवरी 3 months, 6 months, 1 year कि what you have done right, what you have done wrong. In relationship also you should have those kind of conversations.
right reviews करने
So
चाहिए. You should have
what is going right, what is going wrong. It is not a blame game. आप एक दूसरे को blame नहीं कर रहे हो. आप एक न्यूट्रल ग्राउंड पे आके डिस्कस कर रहे हो कि मुझे ये चीजें अच्छी लगती है, मुझे ये चीजें अच्छी नहीं लगती,
बिल्कुल I
आपको ये
agree.
चीजें
I
अच्छी
agree.
लगती है, आपको ये चीजें अच्छी नहीं लगती. Because it is very important to have healthy conversations. Otherwise, वो अंदर ही अंदर बिल्डअप होता जाता है, बिल्डअप होता जाता है, और जब वो बाहर निकलता है वो अच्छे तरीके से बाहर नहीं निकलता. It even spoils good things also. और हर रिलेशनशिप में कुछ अच्छा कुछ बुरा तो होता ही है ना.
I agree. But the thing is, you're right, and I think you just even in friendships में, relationships में, किसी चीज में, relationship meaning like husband के, I mean your relatives, for example, brothers and sisters. In some of them you get along more, and some of them you don't. Nothing you can do. But they are your
And
relatives.
it is normal. It is normal. It is natural. See, for me, a relationship is just like a job. आप एक कंपनी में जॉब कर रहे हो, किसी कोलीग के साथ आपकी अच्छी बनेगी, किसी के साथ नहीं बनेगी, किसी के साथ आप थोड़ी बात करोगे, किसी से ज्यादा. कोई बॉस आपको अच्छा लगेगा, कोई बॉस आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. तो उसी तरीके का तो हमारा लाइफ का स्ट्रक्चर भी है ना. हमारे लाइफ में भी अलग अलग रिलेशनशिप है जो अलग अलग कैटेगरीज में हम डालते हैं. इन लॉज अलग कैटेगरीज में, पेरेंट्स अलग कैटेगरीज में, फ्रेंड्स अलग कैटेगरीज में, सिबलिंग्स अलग कैटेगरीज में. अब इनमें से भी कुछ हमें अच्छे लगते हैं, कुछ हमें अच्छे नहीं लगते, बट वी स्टिल गेट along. तो जिनसे जितना कम्युनिकेशन रखना होता है हम उतना ही रखते हैं. The
You're
same is with your husband-wife relationship also. Although it is important relationship, but that is not the only relationship you have. That comes with a package. That one relationship also comes with 10 other relationships in a package, right? तो
Yes,
सबको बैलेंस करना पड़ता है, एक को थोड़ी कर रहे हैं आप.
yes.
लेकिन उन सब की बैलेंसिंग से ज्यादा जरूरी है इस रिलेशनशिप को बैलेंस करना, बिकॉज इसकी वजह से बाकी के रिलेशनशिप्स हैं.
Husband, wife के then you,
तो इसको बैलेंस करना सब. Yes, it is a very important relationship, a husband and a wife relationship. And if you can't balance that relationship, you are creating chaos in your life.
और ये भी होता है ना कि आप फ्रोज हो गए, फ्रीज हो गए हो. अच्छा, जैसे you can, like couple का somebody, you know, like a couple gets married, right? And you just don't get married to the, oh, okay.
Okay, yeah.
मैं ये कह रही थी,
Sorry, वो
नहीं नहीं, आपको थोड़ा वाईफाई का, मैं कहती हूँ जब किसकी शादी होती है, let's say, जैसे I mean I have all these, this is all over the world. You don't marry just the guy or the woman. उनके भाई बहन, ये माँ बाप सारे वो तो सिनेरियो में आ जाते हैं ना.
लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट चीज ये है कि वो लोग इस रिश्ते की वजह से आए हैं.
हाँ, not
अगर
because
ये
of
रिश्ता
the
नहीं होता तो बाकी रिश्ते नहीं आते.
okay.
तो सबसे ज्यादा मेहनत और वर्क किस रिश्ते पे करनी है आपको? इसी रिश्ते पे करनी है.
Yes,
और ये मेहनत दोनों तरफ से होगी तभी ये रिश्ता अच्छा चलेगा.
yeah. यही कह रही हैं, तो ये शाली जी भी ये कह रही हैं, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, दैट दिस इज नॉट अ ट्रेड. या, करेक्ट. एंड नीलम जी, एक और नीलम जी हैं, नीलम लांबा जी, कह रही हैं वेरी ट्रू. यू कांट चेंज द बेसिक नेचर ऑफ समवन, सो गो ऑन एज इट इज गोइंग. नो, बट यू हैव टू रिव्यू, लाइक आप कह रहे हैं कि
Yes, you have to review, you have to discuss, you have to talk about it, and you need to be, both of you have to have that understanding. See, एक रिलेशनशिप का बेस ही अंडरस्टैंडिंग होता है. अगर अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है तो कितना भी प्यार क्यों ना हो ना, वो रिलेशनशिप आपको खुशी नहीं देगा.
पर देखो,
लेकिन जैसे
any relationship, even husband wife की मैं तो एग्जांपल देती हूँ always, there's always like it's not 50-50, could be 40-60, could be 30-70.
till the time it is 40-60, it is fine. The moment it becomes 80-20, it is not a relationship.
उसमें भी उसमें भी रिव्यू करना पड़ेगा, राइट?
उसमें रिव्यू करना पड़ेगा. इट इज हाई टाइम आप रिव्यू करो उसमें, क्योंकि 80-20 रिलेशनशिप नहीं होता.
मीन्स ओनली 80%, 20% तो कुछ भी नहीं होता. 40-60 चलो चलेगा आफ्टर दैट पॉइंट.
50-50 or 40-60, because sometimes some person will be low, other person will support. Sometimes one person will be low, other will be supporting. किसी सिचुएशन में कोई एक ज्यादा एफर्ट डालेगा, किसी सिचुएशन में कोई एक, बिकॉज सबके स्ट्रेंथ्स और वीकनेसेस होते हैं, right? So 60-40 is doable. 70-30 is also not acceptable. Then you are dragging that relationship. Then it is already coming into a one-sided relationship. 80-20 तो रिलेशनशिप ही नहीं है.
नहीं वो तो है.
ये आप अपने आप को क्या कहते हैं, इल्यूजन के वर्ल्ड में रख रहे हो, या आई हैव अ रिलेशनशिप. वो रिलेशनशिप ही नहीं है. फिर आप अपनी दुनिया में अपना खुद का ही दिमाग में रिलेशनशिप बना के उसमें जी रहे हो बस.
illusion, yeah, that's illusion के जिंदगी में रह रहे हो. you're right. and this is one, I mean couple का है, लेकिन दोस्ती का थोड़ा different होगा. That's one you cannot take any as you say, I don't want to use the wrong word, crap from anybody. Why?
See, there is only two relationships in this world which we choose ourselves. Rest all come बिना बोले. हमारे पेरेंट्स हम चूज नहीं करते, हमारे सिबलिंग्स हम चूज नहीं करते, हमारे कोवर्कर्स हम चूज नहीं करते, हमारे रिश्तेदार मामा चाचा ताई हम चूज नहीं करते. देयर आर ओनली टू रिलेशनशिप्स we choose. One is our friends, another is our life partner. और इसीलिए इन दो रिश्तों में हम कोई क्रैप लेते नहीं है.
Right.
As you said, because this is our personal choice. We have chosen those relationships. So choose those people who are willing to invest as much as you are willing to invest in those relationships. क्योंकि ये तो हमारी चॉइस का रिलेशनशिप है ना. और अगर ये नहीं चल रहा है तो इट इज योर चॉइस. यू वांट टू कीप इट और यू वांट टू लीव इट.
एंड हस्बैंड वाइफ में तो रिव्यू तो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. आई थिंक मे बी once a month or once in 2 months or 3 months they should review, sit down and talk.
Entirely depends on what kind of compatibility
Exactly,
you
yeah.
have, but then you need to talk.
Yes.
So I was just seeing that one small cute sa video on one of the Facebook where it says, I love you, but I don't like. Okay. So that was the statement. Five things husband has to say, five things wife has to say. So they start with this statement, I love you, but I don't like your this habit. I love you, but I don't like your this behavior. I love you, but I don't like your this way you behaved or this way you acted or this is what you did. So आप बार बार ये भी रिमाइंड कर रहे हो कि मैं तुमसे प्यार करती हूँ बट देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स अबाउट यू व्हिच आई डोंट लाइक एंड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सेप्ट इट सो यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन इट और ये हस्बैंड और वाइफ दोनों के लिए था ये नहीं था कि सिर्फ वाइफ बोल रही है या सिर्फ हस्बैंड बोल रहा है नो इट वाज अ इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम एंड इट वाज अ वेरी लवली वे ऑफ पुटिंग अक्रॉस थिंग्स कि don't forget that I love you and just because I love you that is the reason I'm having this conversation with you.
Good, that's true.
अगर मैं प्यार ही नहीं करती तो मैं इतना दिमाग भी नहीं लगाती ना आपसे ये बात करने के लिए.
And review करने में भी you have some feeling. That's why you're doing the review. To let's say there's something to which you're having a problem in that you want to get that resolved. The review नहीं करोगे तो how are you going to talk it out? And if you just give up and said forget it, whether review भी नहीं करना चाहती, कुछ भी नहीं करना चाहती, I just want to get out of this thing, then there's no point in talking because that point is already gone. Don't let that.
Then the ship has already sailed. फिर 80-20 भी खत्म हो चुका है अब कुछ नहीं बचा अब 0-100 हो गया है.
So that point should not be reached. I feel that in between when you're reaching 40-60 तब भी थोड़ा शुरू कर दो ध्यान रखना शुरू करो कि रिव्यू करने का टाइम आ गया है certain things.
और रिव्यू इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता आपका कितने साल का रिलेशनशिप है चाहे 3 महीने का हो 3 साल का हो या 30 साल का हो. Like we learn every day new things, the same way we evolve in our relationship every day. तो ये ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि 12 साल हो गए या 15 साल हो गए अब तो जैसा चल रहा है चलने दो नहीं you can still have the spark in a relationship if you put in your effort.
Yeah.
There are people who are enjoying a 30-40-year-old marriage also. And there are people who are pissed in 1 year itself. That's how you build that spark in a relationship.
The thing is now generation जो पहले वाली थी थोड़ी they took a lot of they had a lot of patience I would say. The new generation because of the work schedule families बच्चे शच्चे the working partners they don't have that much patience. चलो अभी नहीं बन रही
because they are already very stressed out. पहले जैसी इजी लाइफ अब किसी के पास नहीं है. पहले बहुत सिंपल सॉर्टेड लाइफ थी. वाइफ्स वर हाउसवाइफ हस्बैंड्स वर वर्किंग स्ट्रक्चरली एवरीथिंग वाज मार्क्ड वेरी क्लियरली कि ये आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ये आपकी अब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना. एवरीबडी इज डूइंग एवरीथिंग. इट इज अ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ. हम कहते हैं यंग जनरेशन में पेशेंस नहीं है बट हमारे पेरेंट्स ने उतना स्ट्रेस देखा भी नहीं था जितना हम देख रहे हैं अभी.
That is true.
जिस तरीके की मल्टीटास्किंग हम लोग कर रहे हैं सुबह से शाम हर जगह भाग रहे हैं वो नहीं होता था पहले. मैम पहले कितनी स्ट्रक्चर्ड लाइफ होती थी. रोज रात को सब लोग सो रहे होते थे. कोई रात को नाइट शिफ्ट नहीं कर रहा होता था. 80% ऑफ द जनता यूज्ड टू बी स्लीपिंग इन देयर हाउस. अभी 80% ऑफ द जनता इज वर्किंग इन द नाइट बिकॉज ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइम जोन्स डिफरेंट कंट्रीज मल्टीलिंगुअल एंड ऑल दैट. तो फिर ये कहना कि उनमें पेशेंस नहीं है इज अ रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. इनफैक्ट दे आर मोर स्ट्रेस्ड and still if they are hanging on to the relationships it's hats off to them.
Correct. And like but then like I said they're not going to stick around for शादी होगी तो चलो पूरा सफर कर मतलब commit to that person for the rest of your life even if you are not happy. You are slaving around. Like some people they did. The woman पहले तो खाना बनाओ ये करो सब in-laws के लिए बनाओ ये करो. The woman didn't say anything. चुप करके करती रहती थी. But those days are gone. That's what I'm trying to say. Like you said.
That's why review has become more important now. पहले ज़माने में reviews नहीं होते थे तो चल जाता था. अब नहीं होता ना. Now people don't stick around to the companies also. अब किसके पास गवर्नमेंट जॉब है? कौन सारी जिंदगी एक ही कंपनी में काम करता है? नहीं करता है ना.
आजकल पैसे देखते हैं. Give you better benefits. You just leave and go to the next place. That's it. Finished.
Because the work is the same. You still have to put in that hard work.
Yeah.
और ये एक लेसन है जो एक रिलेशनशिप और जॉब में अलग है. जॉब में यू कैन चेंज द जॉब्स बट इन रिलेशनशिप यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. अगर आप रिलेशनशिप बदल भी दोगे नए रिलेशनशिप में भी अगर आप एफर्ट्स नहीं डालोगे तो वो भी वहीं पे पहुंच जाएगा जहाँ पे आपका अभी वाला रिलेशनशिप है. तो यहाँ तो आप नया रिलेशनशिप चालू करो शुरुआत से वापस शुरू करो और एक स्टेज पे आके वहीं पे भी रुक जाओगे बिकॉज यू विल नेवर ग्रो आउट ऑफ दैट सिचुएशन. आपने सीखा ही नहीं. फिर वापस उसको छोड़ दो, फिर दूसरी ढूंढो, उसी लेवल तक पहुंचो, फिर उसको छोड़ दो, तीसरी ढूंढो, या फिर एक ही रिलेशन में टिके रहो और उसमें ग्रो करो, उसमें इवॉल्व करो, उसमें बात करो, उसमें लर्न करो.
There are a lot of people who got married, चलो डिवोर्स भी कर दिया, नेक्स्ट मैरिज करी, उसमें भी वही प्रॉब्लम, उसमें आ गई, उसमें भी छोड़ा.
क्योंकि
So these are the
क्योंकि
same problems
रिजॉल्व
that
नहीं हुआ.
they didn't resolve
Yeah,
the first
because
time.
you
They didn't resolve the
because
first time. That's the thing.
exactly, you are not putting an effort in that relationship, and if you will not put an effort, the same pattern will keep repeating again and again and again. और वो हर एक के साथ होता है, आपके मेरे सबके साथ होता है वो.
Hmm.
तभी तो कहते हैं कमिटमेंट इज हार्ड वर्क, लव इज वेरी इजी, ट्रस्ट मी. वीना जी, लव होना तो दुनिया की सबसे आसान बात है. प्यार होने में 2 मिनट नहीं लगते. जब होना होता है तो 2 मिनट में हो जाता है, नहीं होना होता है तो सालों तक नहीं होता है, राइट?
Yes.
तो प्यार होना बहुत आसान है, लेकिन कमिटमेंट, हार्ड वर्क, कंसिस्टेंसी इन दैट रिलेशनशिप इज वेयर द चैलेंजेस.
I agree. And you know, this subject, I think we should, जो अभी हमने, although हमने शुरू किया love and commitment, which you know, like महाशिवरात्रि के लिए, but this topic of commitment and what we're doing now, we're talking about, there's so much to talk about, and I think the audience likes to, we will be have a part 2 of this thing, I think. This topic.
We will have a part 2
Love
of
and
it.
commitment के बारे में. There's so many things to discuss, and you know, guys, we will have another session about this, and I want you to come up with some questions. And what questions you want to ask Neelam, Dr. Neelam ji? She's excellent. She can answer your questions. So, and this is a good discussion topic because you know that we can bring a lot of other questions in. Why people don't commit to for too long? Why? How long can the marriage really be faithful, like faithfulness and all these things? We can talk about that. I think we should have another session about this thing. What do you think, Neelam ji?
Sure, we can have part 2 of love and commitment very soon.
Very soon, yes. So, guys, I want to tell all of you, Shali ji and everybody who's here, Neelam ji bhi, and Kamlesh ji hai, and we're gonna have more people next time who join because we joined a little bit late because of this time the problem was from Facebook, not from Zoom. Normally Zoom तंग करता है, आज Facebook ने तंग कर दिया. दोनों बहन भाई हम क्या करें? उनको दोनों
कभी कभी उन दोनों की भी नहीं बनती है.
नहीं बनती है और मेरे को भी दोनों से बनानी पड़ती है, तो मुझे भी रिव्यू करना पड़ता है. So I'm going through that phase with both of them. So anyway, so guys, we'll be back with another part 2 soon, pretty soon. I'll let you know, and do have some questions that time, and I will let you know beforehand. So Neelam ji, I know you had a very busy day, and it's getting late over there. So I want to thank you very much for coming, and this topic was really very good, and we'll do the next part.
Thank you.
And thank you. Have a
Thank you so much.
wonderful evening, and we'll be in touch. So take
Yeah.
care.
Thanks a lot. Lovely. Bye-bye.
Thank you.